So here I have a airbag leaking. It's leaking right under here. So these are actually pretty simple to change. I think all you should need is like a leather one. So the first thing I do is pull this pin. It's pretty easy to do. You can probably even do it by hand or with your... Okay, now what I do, instead of trying to get this damn line off, I will cut it off. And then see this thing here? Gotta get my camera. It's a 1/4 inch union fitting with a plug. See this here? Well, I'll show you what I do with this. Cut this line. Plug this line. That way it brings the airbag up and it's way easier to pop out because you need the clearance. I do have a new one ready here. These are like 200 bucks. They're not bad. I'll take the paper off later. Or what the hell I can do it now too. Or the plastic, whatever you want to call it. Okay, I'll show you the part number after I get done here. Yeah, they're like 200 bucks. They're not bad. So what you do here is you push it down, you twist it, and now it's off. Clean out this shit, clean out this. When you slide it in, here I'll show you. I gotta get used to this damn camera here. You gotta make sure that it's in place here. And then you just twist it in. Why does it go so hard? This other side is not in place. Come on, sweetheart. This side is down. Be easier than this here. Okay, you dumbass. Let me start over. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you this. See here, you have to be careful of how you put it on. You can only go in one way, so I had to turn around. So see this? This has to be in this notch here. This is going to be simple now. It should. Usually it's like a 2-minute job. See, piece of cake. Now you just put this back in again. Come on, camera, what the hell are you doing? It's not the first time I've done it, or the first time taking a damn video of it. play with my damn camera at the same time. There you go. Now you pop this off. And she's good to go for another, what, 40, 50,000 miles, 60,000, who the hell knows. Fuckers could start leaking. Oh shit, this is pretty beat up. I'm not sure how many miles I got on here. Quite a few. Good to go now. Oh, I was going to show you the part number. It is a B81-6023. If you can see it. Good to go.